Hey explorers, thank you for coming back to the Expat Explorer channel. I know I told you guys I was going to post right after I left Poland. So I went from Canada to Poland and I said, yeah, I'm going to be posting twice a week. And guys, believe me when I say, sometimes shit just happened. I had to hurry up and post twice a week and some crazy stuff's been going on. I've been adjusting, we can say, to life in Ukraine the last few weeks. But I have so much that I want to tell you guys, and it's so exciting. And I feel like you're either going to say, wow, that's really cool and exciting, and we're really happy for you. Or you're just going to say, like, what the fuck? Get out of town, Jamie. Sometimes you just have to go with the flow and live in the moment. You don't want to live behind a lens, right? So anyway, guys, today we're going to keep it light and simple. I'm going to talk about what's in my carry-on. I'm going to figure out like what is not necessary to bring and little things, simple things that can make your life so much easier or just like much more comfortable. So if you guys want to know what's in my carry-on, keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get into it. Today I've divided things in my carry-on or useful things for you guys into documents and kind of important things. Kind of like medical, I guess you could say, and then comfort. So the first thing I like to bring in my carry-on is this folder, which has all of my, excuse me, really important things like my passports, this aluminum card case, which will protect you from credit card theft. I bring a copy of my immunizations from Canada, maybe some extra passport photos, my IDs, anything I might need going through immigration or getting my visa when I get to that country. And then I like to bring a pen. I know it's really basic, but a lot of times you're on the plane, and when you arrive in a new country, you have to fill out an entry form for that country. And I don't know why, flight attendants rarely have pens, and when they do, you have to share it with like 20 people. So I bring a pen in this little thing with me, and I have everything handy ready to go. And I almost forgot the most important thing. Well, pretty important. I like to carry this little pamphlet, which I got from my passport office in Canada. And I think most countries have something like this, but there's a traveler's checklist on the back. I've been using this thing for years. And then there's also a whole bunch of numbers for different embassies, like Canadian embassies when you're traveling. So if you have any problems, all the information you need is there. So that's kind of like the important things I bring on my flight, other than my laptop and documents I can't risk to lose in my baggage. And then second is like medical stuff. So this is really funny, but I carry Imodium always in my carry-on because it's never happened to me before, but like you do not want to be that person on the plane with explosive diarrhea. Am I right? So I carry this, and I carry Band-Aids because blisters in airports, and then you have to keep going. Could be hours, so Band-Aids and then electrolytes. This is just a powder. I put it in my water. It really helps with jet lag. So stay hydrated on the plane, especially if you're indulging in like the free wine and stuff. Take some electrolytes. And then I have this inflatable neck pillow. So this is way better than those other ones you get that are like beanbag chairs, you know? Or like lentils or whatever's inside. These just inflate. It's like $1. I got this in Bangkok at a dollar store. And yeah, you can wash it. I love this thing. And of course, eye mask, earplugs. You want to sleep on long planes especially, so that helps me so much. And then I bring this, and like I rarely use this. This is like a little money bag that you like wrap it around you. I don't really use this, but sometimes if you go to like kind of a sketchy place and maybe you're leaving the airport and you just exchanged a whole bunch of cash in that country's currency, and then you get in a taxi, like you just don't know. So if I am carrying a lot of cash on me when I first arrive, I will put it on me wearing this. So when I get out of the airport, like out of customs, I will go to the bathroom, put my money in there, and then go. And then last is just like things to make you feel better when you fly. I don't know if it's just me, but every time I fly, I feel like I just did ecstasy for days. Like, not feel, but I look it. My face, my skin, my hair is greasy. It's like a 3-hour flight maybe. And I just washed my hair and I think, how is my hair greasy, you know? So I always feel ugh when I'm on planes. I like to stay hydrated. I always bring lotion. You can put this in like a smaller container from the dollar store or something. And I bring like body lotion, face lotion, and I made this little spray. So it's just like rose water from the supermarket, like from the baking section, and then I'll put essential oils in it. So maybe I'll put some lavender or rose, just a couple drops, and then you go to the bathroom in the plane, you just spritz yourself. It's like aromatherapy and it's refreshing, So yeah, that's pretty much it other than socks. Like make sure you bring socks because if you're wearing sandals, you might freeze at night in the plane. And you just don't forget your earplugs. That's pretty much it. So I hope some of these things were useful. Yeah, let me know in the comments below if there's something I missed, if there's something you always bring. Let's share ideas, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao!